R of environmental sanitation. So meron po tayong 5 R para sa ating environmental sanitation. We have your reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and refuse. Again, so we have a reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and refuse. So unahin natin yung reduce. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng reduce? Okay? So reduce means to minimize the amount of waste we create. So take note, sa hospital po, ang number 1 waste product po natin is mga paper, mga papel po ang number 1 na waste products na hospital facility. Next, letter R, we have a reuse. Pag sinabi naman po natin reuse, reuse means using items more than once. Okay? Ulit-ulitin natin gagamitin ng isang waste product. And letter R, we have a recycle. So pag sinabi po natin recycle, recycle means putting a product to a new use. And letter R again, recover. So we have a practice of putting waste product to use, and R is refuse. So refuse, wasteful, and polluting product. So huwag po tayo ito magkilig na single-use plastic. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng ating refuse. Again, so we have our 5 R's of our environmental sanitation: reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and refuse. Then next, let's talk about now your solid waste segregation using your color-coded trash bin. So take note, meron po tayo dito 6 na kulay ng basurahan kung saan itatapon ang ating mga waste products. So we have your mnemonics here, the big your mnemonics. We have your B for your black, G for your green, Y for your yellow, and yellow with black band, and O for orange, and R for your red trash bin. Okay? So hindi ko, meron po tayo 5 color-coded trash bin dito. So we have your black, green, yellow, yellow with black band, and the orange and red trash bins or your trash bags. Again, so we have your big your mnemonics for your solid waste segregation color-coded trash bin. Black, green, yellow, yellow with black band, orange, and red. Okay? Again, tandaan natin, we have your big your mnemonics. Okay, so pag-usapan po natin itong ating black trash bag or trash bin or the color-coded trash bin. Okay? So if we say black trash bag, ito po yung ating basurahan for your non-infectious dry wastes. Okay? Ulitin ko, non-infectious dry wastes po dapat tayo tatapon dyan. So example ng ating mga non-infectious dry wastes are your paper products like your plastic, bottles, and your mga cardboards po natin. So karamihan dyan mga paper products po, mga dry waste po ang tinatapon natin pagdating sa ating black trash bin. Again, for your black trash bin, we have your dry wastes or mga non-biodegradable products. It includes your paper products, plastic, and your bottles. The next color-coded trash bin is your green trash bag or trash bin. So this is for your non-infectious wet waste products. So non-infectious products or mga wet waste natin or mga biodegradable products. So dito po na ilalagay or naitatapon yung mga nabubulok or mga biodegradable products. So example ng mga biodegradable products natin ay mga leftover foods, mga peelings, and mga rotten products. So mga rotten products like yung mga nabubulok na mga gulay, nabubulok na prutas, mga pinagbalatan ng saging, pinagbalatan ng mga mansanas, at mga iba pang prutas. Okay? O yung mga fish and trails natin, pinagtinikan or pinagalinisan ng laman loob ng isda. So yun po yung ating mga green non-infectious wet waste products. So pag sinabi natin green trash bag, that is for your non-infectious but wet waste. Okay? Mga wet products po yan or mga wet wastes natin. Again, example, we have biodegradable wastes. Pinaka-common po yung question po yan is yung ating leftover foods, okay? Leftover foods or mga left kitchen meals, okay? Leftover foods, mga peelings, and rotten products. That is for your green trash bag or trash bin. Again, so we have your black for non-infectious dry wastes, which is the non-biodegradable waste. And for your green, that is your non-infectious pa rin, but wet waste or mga biodegradable products. Pag sinabi mong biodegradable products, mga nabubulok po yan. Then next, we have your yellow trash bin or the yellow trash bag. So pag sinabi po natin yellow trash bin or yellow trash bag, that is for your infectious or your pathological wastes. Okay? Mga infectious na po yan. So example po ng ating mga waste product dito na infectious for your yellow trash bin or yellow trash bag ay yung ating mga gasa. Okay? So we have your gauze, wound dressing, diapers, umbilical cord, and placenta. And yung mga tinatanggal po natin ng mga tumors, mga digits, or any parts of the body. Okay, so doon po natin siya tinatapon sa ating yellow trash bin or mga infectious pathological waste natin. Example, yung mga used cotton balls, yung ating mga used N95 masks, mga used gloves, at yung mga used PPE natin. So, tinatapon po natin yan sa ating mga yellow trash bin or mga infectious pathological waste po yung mga yan, okay? Ano pang mga tinatapon natin dyan? Yung mga digits na na-remove natin, mga cyst, mga bukol, at mga organs na tinanggal natin sa ating mga operations. So again, so that is for your yellow trash bin or yung infectious pathological trash bag. Again, for yellow, that is your infectious pathological waste. It includes your gauze, wound dressing, diapers, umbilical cord, and placenta, and sometimes yung blood bag, okay? Yung blood bag natin. Pero sometimes yung blood bag kapag hindi tinatapon at may problem po sa ating blood product na yun, it returns to your blood bag, okay? Pero pag itatapon po yan sa ating yellow trash bin, okay? Next, letter Y, we have also your yellow with black band. Pag sinabi naman po natin yellow with black band, ito po rin yung ating mga infectious products pero mga chemicals na po yan. Mga infectious chemical products like your betadine, acids, formaldehydes, and mga expired drugs natin. Again, betadine, acid, formaldehydes, and expired drugs or yung mga expired din natin mga agents sa ating laboratory. So yan po ating yellow with black band. And yung mga mercurial natin na manabasag, so yun po yung ating example ng ating basurahan for your infectious chemical products. Example ng mga chemicals dyan, yung mga betadine, mga acids, mga formaldehydes, and mga expired drugs natin. Okay? The next letter O, we have your orange trash bin. So common board question po ng orange kasi lumabas na sa board exam. So for your orange trash bag,
ayun yung invite common board question or lumabas sa board exam. Board exam ako diyan na review.
Wastes or mga radioactive compounds. Okay, mga radioactive waste po tinatapon natin dyan like your radioisotopes, mga used x-ray films, or any products with contact with your radioactive wastes. Again, so radioactive wastes, that is for your orange trash bin. It includes your radioisotopes, yung mga ginamit natin sa ating mga cervical cancer treatment or radiotherapy. And your used x-ray films, that is for your orange trash bag, okay? And next, you have your red trash bag or trash bin. So for your red trash bag or red trash bin, that is for your sharps wastes, okay? Ano ba mga sharps natin? Mga needles, mga syringes, mga scalpel blades, stylet, ampules, at mga blood lancets natin. So, lahat po ng mga matutulis ay itatapon natin sa ating red trash bag or sa ating red trash bin. Okay? So, we have your needles, syringes, scalpel blades, stylet, ampules, blood lancet, at mga broken ampules and broken vials. So, dyan po natin itatapon yung ating mga sharp wastes. Again, so we have your mnemonics for your solid waste segregation. We have your trash bag or yung mga color-coded bin. We have your Bigyur mnemonics. B for your black, G for your green, Y for yellow, and Y for yellow with black bag, O for orange, and R for your red trash bag. So ngayon, ituturo ko naman na ngayon sa inyo kung paano po siya kakapisaduhin sa infectious trash bags po yan. So infectious wastes po ang tinatapon natin sa mga yellow trash bags. So it includes your yellow trash bag and the yellow trash bag with black bag. Okay? So pag yellow lang, wala pong black bag, yellow, walang black bag, that is your infectious or pathological waste. Pag yung yellow trash bag or trash bin ay may black bag, that is for your infectious chemical agents. Okay? So infectious chemicals po kapag ito yellow with black band. And for your orange, orange is for your radioactive wastes. So toxic waste na po yan. And letter R, red for your sharps. And that is also a toxic waste trash bag. Again, so we have your Bigyur mnemonics. Black, green, yellow, yellow with black band, orange, and your red. Okay, so ngayon, subukan natin kantahin ang ating mga trash bags or ating mga color-coded trash bins. Non-infectious dry, non-infectious wet, infectious, toxic waste. Again, so yun po yung ating tatandaan. So kailangan memorize mo po or sa ulado mo yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng ating color-coded trash bin. So para mas maintindihan mo siya. So again, dapat kabisado mo yung pagkasunod-sunod ng ating basurahan. So black, green, yellow, yellow with black band, orange and red. So yung dalawang orange and red, toxic na po yung mga dalawang yun. Okay, so ulitin natin ang ating kanta. Non-infectious dry, non-infectious wet, infectious, toxic waste. Okay? So, non-infectious dry is your black, non-infectious wet is your green, infectious, yun yung dalawang yellow. Okay? Infectious na una, yun yung pathological waste na yellow with a black band. And yung infectious na pangalawa ay yung yellow with black band, okay? So yun yung ating mga infectious chemicals. And yung panghuli, toxic waste, yun na yung orange and red. Orange for radioactive waste and red for your shops, okay? Ulitin natin. So 1, 2, 3, go. Non-infectious dry, non-infectious wet, infectious, toxic waste. Again, one more time. Non-infectious dry, non-infectious wet, infectious, toxic waste. So ayan, so ulit-ulitin nyo lamang po yung kantahin hanggang sa masaulado nyo pong ating kanta. Again, so ulitin natin. Non-infectious dry, non-infectious wet, infectious, toxic waste. Non-infectious dry, non-infectious wet, infectious, toxic waste.